There are many options of bike tires to choose from, such as Schwinn, Continental, Bell, Sumiki, Finksy, and more, so how do you know which one is the best? We have done a lot of research to find the top 05 best bike tires available. There are many products to choose from in bike tires, each with different features, benefits, and prices. To help you make a good decision, I have done extensive research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best bike tires big name brands. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my details. So let's jump to the video without delay. Number 1. Schwinn Replacement Bike Tire, Mountain Bike. Connected center channel and tread, allows for smoother rolling on pavement, while deep knobs grip loose terrain for off-road riding. 26x 1.95-inch mountain bike tire for off-road riding. Wide, blocky knobs provide traction on looser rocky terrain. Outer knobs extend over tire edge for sidewall protection. Fits internal rim widths 19mm to 29mm, side range 40 to 65. Schwinn MTB tire comes with a built-in flat-resistant layer for ultimate protection on the road or trail. Ultra-durable steel bead construction and traction suited for trail riding. It fits most 26-inch bikes. Tire dimensions: 26-inch x 2.0-inch. Number 2. Continental Gatorskin Durskin Tire, 2 count. Tires with Durskin sidewall protection have to be able to roll with the punches. They are used under the harshest conditions. On messenger bikes, the tires skid along curbs. On touring bikes, they cross continents without wearing out. The high-quality polyamide fabric protects the tire casing against the worst conditions. These tires stand out thanks to their brown sidewalls. Dushkin protection, lightweight sidewall protection. The package height of the item is 10.0. Package length of the item is 4.0. Package width of the item is 5.0. The Continental Goatskin is the ultimate training and racing tire, where puncture protection is a priority. Using the latest proprietary technology against flats. Number 3. Finksy Pair 26x 1.95-inch foldable slick tire. Great tires from a UK-based brand Finksy. Finksy Road City bike tires use high-quality materials and technological manufacturing processes to ensure that each tire offers consistent quality. Low rolling resistance tires are designed to reduce the energy loss as a tire roll, decreasing the required rolling effort. Finksy tires are made of durable rubber and nylon compound, promising reliable ride for many miles. Fast rolling high traction tread for a faster and more comfortable ride. Specific tire for tarmac or pavement use, offering reliable grip of speed and in the corners. Weight 630 gram, 1.4 pounds. Tire pressure inflates up to 40 psi, 280 kpi, 2.43.6 bar, 240 to 360 kpa. Folding bike tire can be compacted and folded down, making it ideal for transporting. This is achieved by the Kevlar bead, which is installed in the tire instead of a traditional steel, making the tire much more flexible. Finksy tire is designed for smooth rolling speed, making it perfect for urban riding. Our mission is Number 4. Bell 7,091,022 Flat Defense Comfort Bike Tire. Bell tires are ultra durable and made for adventure. The tires will stand the test of time, ride after ride. Bell tires feature a smoother, rolling tread with superior traction for ultimate control. Our tires perform great on dirt as well as pavement. Flat Defense is a protective layer under the tread that provides more strength and extra puncture resistance to help protect against flats. Flat Defense technology is a protective layer inside the tire that provides 25% more strength and extra puncture resistance and helps protect against flats, compared to a standard tire without Flat Defense. New optimized tread that allows for superior traction and ultimate control. The Bell Comfort tire features a smoother, rolling tread, great for easy around town rides. Carbon steel bead allows tires to be folded without damage for easy storage. Bell tires are ultra durable and made for adventure. The tires will stand the test of time, ride after ride. Tire size: 26x1. 75. Color: black. Size. Number 5. Eastern Bikes Classic White Wall Tires. Upgrade. Instead of just replace, our premium replacement parts are an upgrade from the products that came on your complete bike. We've been producing bicycles and fitness products for more than 20 years, and these replacement kits are just what you need if you've been let down by the blowouts and flat tires that came on your bicycle. We give you everything you need for a fresh, reliable aftermarket upgrade, including premium quality inner tubes, optional, and high-quality tire levers that won't snap when you look at them. Ours are made of reliable fiber-reinforced plastic. Like I said, we've been doing this for 20 years and going. Your satisfaction is our job. Beach Cruiser wheels will enjoy this refreshing retro tread pattern and look that has been tried, and we've been building and innovating bicycle and fitness products for more than 20 years. While we might be new to Amazon, we built this brand on customer service. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description. For any problem, please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products. It makes your life so much easier.